Hi, 안녕하세요, everyone. To all the family, brothers and sisters, and more family. Thank you guys for being here today. And so, mom and dad a little special day today. And so, I just want to say that mom and dad go to marry to Mong Wei or Flojo Ohion, Flojo Beihyo, right? Tashima, because of that, then that's why we are so lucky today that Beto witness the next part of the marriage in the American tradition. Okay, so the mom and dad go to marry 42 years. Yay, go to Pepe how to be married, right? Tashima, kumoy call something go high talk. Who remember daily who remember mỗi two person hai do go hai tia that go to you shi yo la chi hai li kho kong e you shi yo e yo jiao mu ti remember li na na ha tia to you yo a je you ji lai na so go remember kho lun da che do go e ku yo hai do go mo hen dang li da tia a tia chi mo ti la na ko do tia na okay and so right now, we just want to move on to our next part of our process. But I just want to say that we're really happy that we're go right now and it's a little rain, but it's the sun that is coming out to bless mom, to dad, to family today. Okay. Okay. Cái món đã này lò sườn là nó này tuần tê chỉ tuần tê li nó nè ok cái cú hai cái nó gì này mà follow cú ít được mà thế nào okay so I said we are gathered here today to witness the marriage of Sher and Miley. And I do want to say that for the first time in my life, I get to call them by their first name because of this ceremony. So Miley, and it says, I remember you both that I want to remember you and remember that love, loyalty, and understanding is the happy foundation of an enduring home. And I think you guys both always do that and show example, okay? And so right now, I want to say that I'm going to ask you and then you repeat after me, okay? So, Washer, do you take Miley to be your lawful wedded spouse? Do you promise to love and comfort and honor through sickness and health and adversity and forsaking others to be faithful to Miley?
I do.
Miley, do you take Washer to be your lawful wedded spouse, to love, to promise, comfort, and honor through sickness and health and adversity, forsaking all others to be faithful to Washer? Yes, I do. Okay. Now, please repeat after me. I, Washer,
I, Washer,
take you, Miley,
take you, Miley,
to be my lawful spouse,
to be my lawful spouse,
to have and to hold
to have and to hold
from this day
from this day forth,
for better,
for better,
or for worse,
for work,
for rich,
for rich and poor,
in sickness,
in sickness,
and in health,
in health,
to love
to love,
and to cherish.
to church, forever.
Okay.
I am Miley.
Take you,
Pay you,
Washer,
Washer,
to be my spouse,
to be my spouse,
to have and to hold
to have me to hold
for this day forward,
for this day forward,
for better,
for better,
for worse,
for,
for rich,
for rich,
or poor,
or poor,
in sickness,
sickness,
in health,
and health,
to love
to love
and cherish
and church
forever.
forever.
Okay. Okay, now I need the ring to come over here. Now, place the ring on the finger of Miley's left hand. Left hand. And repeat after go. This ring
This ring
I give
I give
in token
in token
and pledge
and pledge
my faith and
my
love.
my faith and love.
With this ring,
With this ring
I be wed.
I be with.
Okay, come on. Place the ring into Nana's left hand. Okay, repeat after me, okay? This ring
This ring
I
I give
to you
to you,
in token,
token,
pledge my faith
bless my faith
and love.
and love.
With this ring,
With this ring
I be wed.
I be wed.
Now that you put it there, okay. And now that you have joined together in matrimony, now may you strive with all your lives to be committed with the same love and even more for many more years. And by the virtue and authority vested in me as Deputy Commissioner of Civil Marriages, I now pronounce that you are married. One more thing. Now we get to see that they kiss, give one kiss on the side. So I pronounce you, Mr. and Mrs. Sher Vang. Thank you, and Mom and Dad has a few words.
Okay. ประการที่สองเราจะไปส่งโทรเราจะไปส่งโทรคือยังชีอยู่มองต่อกันในใจเป็นมองต่อใจชีอยู่คือยังชีอยู่ละละแต่สินู้นเนาะคือหาโชว์มุมมีกี่โตต่อใจอเมริกาละละต่อใจยอดรู้แต่เห็นเนาะคือนู้นเนาะ u rong xe thì có ya u tu con nè và ya u tu lu u ya nhớ trở thì có lu xe nhớ trở thì có isa nhớ trở thì có xuống kia giờ ba con thì ba tàu ở quận anh nhớ xí lu mù xí thơ giờ thơ cho xài cho tu chọn nhà chọn sân lạnh sân dữ chọn thải cho bầu cái gì thì luôn nó cũng rong xe thì cứ cầu sĩ yếu của trái America có trái America nhau lúc tây chơi America nó ấy có luôn tu lúc tây qua chữ giờ sâu ba có nó có nhau rong thì có cho mình tu mình nhọ bây giờ cho cứ cho ti chọn sang cho dễ tôi cũng nó có bây giờ đợi mua tập cái dòng xí lu xí ba xí sơ đồ giá tận đây thì cú dùng xe có các chỗ là ở cái tủ lu rồi luôn nó họ ít họ thường có luôn đây họ máy nó cái tia thì cú như sa mua tia đồ nên cho mình nhỏ tia thì cú tỷ luôn đây hay tia my love nó ta sĩ hai linh đó nó chỉ in nhờ và chim lông mình chỉ để có thể mua tỷ và my lì nó có thọ bông có lúc sang kia rồi nè thì thì có như là cụ tụ lu thì do my love thì cụ hai linh nó có sự
Good one.
cầu gì xong đó tôi chỉ nói cứ mà trâu chậu xong nữa chứ mà lọ ướt họ mấy cặp mà cái chai hạt để ướt xí yếu nó cứ mà nhắm mà phải mua bộ mua sinh từ ta lời cứ nói ướt rong xe là qua đèn tờ chờ đi mấy cả lúc nó chạy nhau lúc đấy chờ để nó lời rong xe thành thọ này cho mình nhỏ thơ nó nữa thì lên tới cái rong xe sắp lửa rồi một lúc có
Mình khám gì nữa.